I go to the grocery store in the supermarket. I go to the grocery store in the supermarket. I take a cart to put items in it. I take a cart to put items in it. I buy 6 bottles of water. I buy 6 bottles of water. I buy a bottle of milk. I buy a bottle of milk. I buy a bag of rice. I buy a bag of rice. I buy a bag of cookies biscuits. I buy a bag of cookies biscuits. I get dozen of eggs. I get dozen of eggs. I am checking my shopping list again. I am checking my shopping list again. I check the expiry date of items. I check the expiry date of items. I buy some fresh vegetables. I buy some fresh vegetables. The apples are looking fresh. The apples are looking fresh. I go to the counter to pay the cash. I go to the counter to pay the cash. I walk into the big supermarket. I walk into the big supermarket. I push the cart slowly. I push the cart slowly. I pick up a basket. I pick up a basket. I look for fresh bread. I look for fresh bread. I buy a pack of butter. I choose ripe bananas. I choose ripe bananas. I buy a bottle of juice. I buy a bottle of juice. I take a pack of sugar. I take a pack of sugar. I buy some green peppers. I buy some green peppers. I take a bag of onions. I take a bag of onions. I check the price tag. I check the price tag. I compare 2 different brands. I compare 2 different brands. I put items in my cart. I put items in my cart. I stand in the checkout line. I stand in the checkout line. The cashier scans the items. The cashier scans the items. I pay money at the counter. I pay money at the counter. I take the printed receipt. I take the printed receipt. I pack groceries in bags. I pack groceries in bags. I carry bags to my car. I carry bags to my car. I thank the cashier politely. I thank the cashier politely. The store is very clean. The store is very clean. Many people are shopping here. Many people are shopping here. I leave the supermarket happily. I leave the supermarket happily.